Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to talk about language cert, and this is level A1 of language cert. Today we have 10 questions, and these questions are very important for level A1 and level B1. These are questions from part 1 of level A1 and level B1. The first question that we have is, how many brothers and sisters do you have? If you know how many brothers and sisters do you have, you should tell him that I have one brother and one sister. I have four brothers, one sister. If you don't have any brothers and sisters, you can say I do not have any brothers and sisters. This is the very simple answer. Question number 2 we have is, what music do you like? He is asking you what kind of music do you like, what sort of music do you like. You can say I like classic music. You can say I like disco music. You can say I like pop, rock, jazz. Whatever music do you like, you can say I like it. I like that one. Question number 3 is, how big is your house or flat? If you are living in a house, you have to tell how big it is. Or if you are living in a flat, then you will have to tell about flat. You can simply say I live in a very big flat. I live in a very big house. Or you can answer it in squares. I live in 500 or I live in 1,000 squares house. Or you can say I live in 5 marla house, 10 marla house. Whatever you think is easy for you, you should say like that. Question number 4 we have, what subjects do you like at school? When you are in school, what kind of subjects that you used to like? When I was school, I liked to read English and Islamic studies. Whatever you think is best for you, whatever you used to like in school, when you are in school, you should tell about those subjects. You can say only about your subjects, mathematics and English. This is also a correct answer. You can only give the names of the subjects. Question number 5 is, what have you got in your bedroom? He means to say, what are the things in your bedroom? I have sofa, I have bed in my bedroom, I have a TV in my bedroom. And if you want to say other things, you want to tell other things, you can also name them. I have almirah, I have dressing table, or whatever you have in your bedroom, you know better. You can tell that I have these things in my bedroom. Question number 6 is, how old are you? He is asking you about your age, and you can say I am 30 years old, like I am 30 years old. You are 25 or 21, you can say I am 21 years old. This is very simple answer. Question number 7, what is your favorite day of the week? What day of the week do you like? My favorite day of the week is Friday. He can further ask you why. Then you should say, because on Friday I have a holiday, so I have got full day to sleep or to take rest. Question number 8, what languages do you speak? I speak English language, I speak Urdu, Punjabi. Whatever language do you speak or languages do you speak, you should say those names of the languages that you speak. Question number 9, when do you use the internet? At what time do you use the internet? The answer is, I use internet at night, because that time I am free or I have time at the night, so that's why I use internet at night. Question number 10, and this is our last question, can you tell me about your friends? Yes, the answer is, my friends are very nice, they are very helping, they always help me in any difficulty, they are very pious. Even they are not, you can say they are very pious. We share everything with each other. We have gossip, we play together. I love my friends. These are those questions that are repeated again and again in language cert. That's why I decided to share with you all. So I think you will like this video, and inshallah in next video we will meet again with new questions and with new situations and role plays. For then, Allah Hafiz.